The tank farm and new facilities that have been installed within it fully emulate a modern downstream bulk liquid storage terminal, encompassing all modes of liquid product transfer, movement, monitoring, receipt and stock consolidation, covering road tanker wagon transfer, ship and shore transfer, rail car transfer, internal transfers tank to tank and external transfers via pipeline. The facility boasts the most modern current smart instrumentation, incorporating the Honeywell Experience system, allowing for dynamic diagnostic analysis, supervisory remote control, tank level management software and other integrated systems, including our automated manual and actuated valves, conventional smart instrumentation for field transmitted devices, remotely operated shut-off valves, overfill protection level switches and tank gauging utilising servo and radar gauges, as well as temperature control communicated by averaging temperature probes, as well as a full fiscal metering system including the Honeywell Coriolis mass batch flow meter, a Brody DCV and also a Fusion 4 multi-stream controller. Also linked to this is our additive injection system, fully emulating the operations carried out on a normal road loading system.